I used to drive this car about 5 years ago, man, and I used to drive it all day long. But Daniel, you can't even drive it nowadays. You lost your drive privileges about 6 years ago because you were supposed to deliver a little girl to a motel, but you refused, and you got distracted while driving. You lost control of your car and plowed into something, like a tree or something, or another vehicle. Oh man. Yeah, maybe you're right. I shouldn't drive. I know I lost all my driving privileges, but that doesn't mean stopping me and stuff. Just get the hell out of here now. I can score this, John. You're just embarrassed at yourself that you can't drive anything. What's the single?